remember your first hint of freedom? Your first taste of speed? What it felt like to have the wind tearing through your hair? A moment of peace. This is what the bicycle gives us. The most liberating, simple invention. Circles turning circles. We look back to the golden age of board track racing. These motorbikes were simple, stripped down, and designed for one purpose only: speed. We took these thrills and injected modern design and technology to create a machine with the feeling of the 20s and the mechanics of the 21st century. Derringer has years of experience on two wheels, from our legacy of bespoke gas-powered bikes to our new powerfully efficient electric model. We decided to design and build them here in California to ensure the best quality products and to build personal relationships with our talented partners. From our hand-built frame to the custom tank, the bike was designed from the ground up in Los Angeles. The heart and soul of our bike is the powerful electric motor and long-life lithium battery. We selected motors with high torque to provide great off-the-line acceleration, keeping up with modern life. The overarching goal of our new design was to redefine what an electric bike could be. We did not set out to reinvent the wheel, just to redefine it for the ever-changing world. The fusion of heritage and progress.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Bryce, Operations Manager for Derringer Cycles. Since 2009, we've produced hand-built, gas-powered mopeds that combine board track-inspired styling with a fuel-efficient engine to create a one-of-a-kind mode of transportation. Last year, we began development on an electric bike, since this would remove much of the maintenance and complexity associated with a gasoline engine. Our goal was to produce a bike that was as beautiful as it was functional, and while we're off to a great start, we need your help to get our bike into production. We will use the funds that you pledge to pay for fixtures, jigs, molds, and other tooling necessary to produce our custom frame, tank, and controller housing. If you would like an e-bike that combines high-quality components, striking design, and everyday reliability into one Made in California package, please help us by pledging and sharing our page with your friends. Thank you for your support.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.